In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block AI training on Substack. As AI technology becomes increasingly prevalent, more people are looking for ways to protect their content from being used to train these models. If you're one of those individuals, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to change your Substack settings and help ensure your content isn't used for purposes you might not agree with. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack homepage. This is the central hub of your content creation world on Substack, where you'll find all the necessary tools to manage your publication effectively. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page. You should find a settings button. This is your gateway to configuring various aspects of your Substack, including privacy settings. After clicking on settings, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see a variety of options. Among them, there's a section specifically labeled privacy. This area is crucial for managing who gets to see what about your content, and it holds the key to preventing AI models from accessing your work. Once in the privacy section, you're looking for an option related to AI training. It might take a moment to spot it, so take your time and scroll through the list. You'll find a section that lets you block AI training explicitly. Sometimes these options are not prominently highlighted, but they're there, ensuring you have ultimate control over your intellectual property. Now, once you've located this section, look for a toggle switch associated with blocking AI training. These switches are quite intuitive. They generally allow you to turn a setting on or off with a simple click. In this case, you'll want to turn the toggle on to prevent AI models from using your content as training material. It's a straightforward action but quite powerful, giving you control over your data and its use. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can help protect your content from becoming part of AI training datasets. Remember, ensuring the privacy and integrity of your work is an ongoing task, but it's satisfying to know that platforms like Substack provide tools to give you control over your content. If you ever need to revisit these settings, simply return to the privacy section under settings, and you'll be able to adjust them as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online content. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and share it with others who might find it useful as well. See you next time.